Okay, this is Samson. And where's Samson? There's Samson. Hi, buddy. And Topher. Rooster. There's my Roo Pie. Oh, there's Caesar. Caesar saying hello. And there's AJ. That's my mom and dad's dog. Samson belongs to my friend Marissa. Topher and Rooster are mine. So Samson has already met everybody in the house. Now he's playing again. He doesn't have any real social issues at all. Yeah. Do ya? Good boy, Roo. Good boy. Yeah. Kind of spinning in circles. Hi, boys. Hi. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Good boy, Rooster. Rooster, good boy.